Là, je suis en train d'envoyer les invitations, de préparer les invitations pour Slovenia Rock. Slovenia Rock is an experiment Luna Park that started in France actually, in the Fine Art School of Aix-en-Provence. And it's a Luna Park which is in which artists, different like a wide spectrum of artists are invited to create all the attractions in fact.
Voilà, alors l'idée derrière, c'est pas non plus de faire un truc ultra prétentieux, c'est pas du tout notre truc, c'est vraiment faire un truc très ludique, super facile d'accès, encore une fois, ultra décomplexé.
It will be this time in Pekarna, in Slovenia for the first time. So this event at the base it's called Enierhof, but since it's in importation in Slovenia, we try to call it Slovenia Hof.
Si tu veux, je peux te filer son contact et tu vois avec elle facilement.
Ouais, je vais essayer de faire un truc. Different bands, there will be a lot of electronic music, art and entertainment. You know, it's in between this. But I can show you some files if you want. There is a website and everything that present a little bit. And I think that yeah, it would be super cool if you want to get involved because we are looking for 10 artists from Slovenia to be part of this project. Matej, Olivier,
we already met.
Hey Matej,
Hello.
How are you? It's really weird because like being in Maribor, we meet a lot of people with who we are connecting somehow with like through different people. So like it's like the network are crossing.
We already tried with Bill Gates, but it didn't want.
We call them the French Connection. The French artists which are here through the European Voluntary Service, the exchange, which is I think great. People come here, meet the locals, meet artists and get involved into local stories.
Voilà, c'est le quartier général, donc vous pourrez faire ce que vous voulez ici. Et donc on se rejoint ici, donc après il faudrait essayer qu'on se... au niveau du temps qu'on se... This will be the basement, no, the basement, the sous-sol, comment on dit, la base, the base. The base, yeah. So we'll do the workshop here and everything.
We are hosting for this time around 40 people, and they come from different places. Some are coming, a lot are coming actually from France, but some are coming from England, I think, Belgium also.
En fait, dans le cadre de Enierhof, moi ce que je proposais c'était un combat de batterie. Donc un combat à la fois musical mais aussi un combat dans un jeu vidéo très connu qui s'appelle Tekken. Je vais utiliser des capteurs piezo, qui sont ces choses-là, ce sont des petits capteurs qui coûtent vraiment pas cher. Je vais les interfacer avec un Arduino, ce sont des petits microcontrôleurs en fait qui sont autonomes, donc ça fait une sorte de performance duel de batterie et en même temps le combat à l'écran quoi.
Trampoline.
Trampoline.
Trampoline. Bâche.
This?
No.
No?
Bâche. Plastique.
Plastic.
The people who gather around this workshop are mainly programmers, hackers, they are plasticians, graphic designers, they are musicians also.
Maybe we can look in this building. Maybe some, because I have studio there and maybe I see.
Des masques, oui. Il y a de la lumière derrière et c'est dans une pièce toute noire. Quand on rentre, on voit rien. Et au bout d'un moment, tous les masques vont s'allumer.
Tu veux allumer plus ou moins en fonction de...
Ouais.
Tu vois, donc c'est quand même assez compliqué. Et faudrait qu'on essaye, je sais que Staniaro, il l'avait fait, il avait envoyé du son dans des ampoules. Et les ampoules, en fait, tu vois, elles s'allumaient plus ou moins en fonction du volume.
I just took out these potentiometers and I want to make a pointing machine, like a machine gun, you know, like...
You are a big
big strong potentiometer.
Yeah.
Maybe I think we don't have the data between 0 and 200. Maybe 0 and 15.
Ah,
This is
smaller resolution.
Yeah.
Ah, that's not good.
I play a lot of these games with joystick, but not on that kind of technology, which is okay, which is based on swinging the monitor.
Oh, this is great. I've never seen something like that, and we've been waiting now for 2-3 months for that. We were just hearing what's going to happen, and now it's great when you see all the games.